how to recover your troubled business, how to bounce back again after facing failures. Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marchell Ludy. Let's face it, running a business is not like walking in the park. It's more like navigating a battlefield, dodging a bullet, or ducking an explosion. There are times when everything goes swimmingly and your business takes off. But unless you are superhuman, you will stumble and fall too. The key is how to pick yourself up after those setbacks. That's what makes a difference between winners and losers. So let's dive into the essence of business resilience. Call a spade a spade. When things go south, honesty is your best ally. It is tempting to sugarcoat the truth to make your product look better. But in dire straits, be brutally honest, no matter how grim the reality is. Don't try to position bad news in a positive light. It's a sinking ship. Address problems head on. Your integrity and your brand's credibility depends on it. Learn from failure. A single setback does not spell doom for your entire career or your brand. Some of the biggest brands have faced colossal failures, but they emerge stronger. Remember, brands, like people, have reputations. If you have nurtured your reputations over the year, one single failure will not send the customers packing. Your bosses are not infallible either. If you admit a problem and show genuine desire to fix it, they will likely to support you. Seek help when you are in a tight spot. Don't do it alone. Absorb and share lessons. Failures may come in many different forms. An unexpected competitive challenge, a failed advertising copy, or a lackluster new product innovation. You are not the first or last marketer to encounter those hurdles. After a failure, reflect on what happened, what was missed, and what would you do differently to get things back on track. Document those lessons, not just for yourself, but share it with your team. Share them with the organization, as others may benefit from your valuable experiences. Failure is a chance to learn, grow, and become more resilient. How do you rebound from setbacks? Please share your strategies in the comment sections below. If you found this podcast enlightening, then please click like and subscribe button. Don't keep this to yourself. Please share it with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Stay strong. May setbacks be your stepping stones to your greatest achievements. Thank you for tuning in. May you always be successful. All the best.